y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Nisha, and if you're not here, hey everybody. So today this was a highly requested video. Everybody wanted to give more of a detailed video of how I do my everyday makeup. I don't do my makeup every day, but every time I do my makeup, this is how I do it. If you like how I got this look, stay tuned. When I go in with doing my eyeshadow, I just like to use the tape method. It kind of always gives that sharp look. So today's palettes, I'm going in with both of the Juvia's Place. One of them is the Warriors 2, and then this one is the First Warriors. So I'm just going to do like a nude brown look. Basically, I like to use like a white concealer instead of like a concealer that's close to my shade.
Using a remix. Now I'm not trying to be rude. Hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my next is cool. That's why I'm all within your grill. Trying to get you to a whole table. You must be a football coach. The way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that foot. And let me kill that. Running in my life, on my phone. I'll say what's I can see it.
So I'm going to pack that darker shade. I'm gonna place that in my
I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have some
I do different colors. I like to go in with this. It's good. And I got this off Amazon.
Oh, I feel the keys screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. I'm a whole thing wishing. I'm about to take my key in. Stick it in your ignition. So yeah, let me get it. Running my life on my phone.
So I'm going to darken it a little bit more in the corner before I cut my crease. And I'm going to use that darker brown.
I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. I'm a rolling that body, got everything you wish. Poking raw. I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have some fun.
I like to cut my crease. I like to go in with Vaseline and a Q-tip. Flat brush, and this is one of my favorite brushes to cut my crease. It's the Princeton brush.
Using a remix. Now I'm not trying to be rude. Hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my next is cool. That's why I'm all within your grill. Trying to get you to a whole table. You must be a football coach. The way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that foot. And let me kill that. Running my life on my phone. I'll say what's on the phone. I can see it.
But doing it this way, I get the perfect crease. Hat Louise, my favorite.
I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have some it's like murder, she roll. Once I get you out the clothes, privacy's on the low. I feel the keys screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. I'm a whole thing wishing. I'm about to take my key.
Eyeshadow, which is my fave, in the Juvia's Place. To use a different brush, this is the Morphe brush. This is the M210. Pack that color on.
I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. I'm a rolling that body, got everything you wish. Poking raw. I'm like, go out and talk. It's the freaking weekend, baby.
I'm gonna probably do this eye on TikTok. Just like to add like a darker shade and kind of just blend it together. To go in with is the Wet n Wild. Alright guys, so I put my lashes off camera for primer. Power Grip. This primer grips your makeup in really good. I love it. It's a dupe for the Milk. Already moisturized my face, by the way. Gonna spray my face with the Morphe spray. In with my Anastasia, and I'm also going in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'm going to mix both of these together like I did last time. And I just like to place the foundation only towards the bottom of my face. With my Tarte shade, and I'm also going in with my Born This Way. If you guys have the same camera as me, can you let me know what setting you guys use? Because I have it on auto. At first when I did my other recording, I had it on portrait. I didn't like how that looked because it made me look red. So I have it on auto and it's kind of making me look washed up. I don't know. And then standard mode, it's like it's too dark. Like I don't see no light. So if you have the same camera as me, the Canon G7X Mark II, can you comment below what setting do you use when you record? Because like my camera on my phone is looking better and I'm not liking how the setting is looking. I want it to look exactly how when I was recording before, because it's making me look way too light. And then my ring light, it's not even light, so I don't even know why it's making me look washed, and I'm not liking it. But I'm going to continue to record and Born This Way and Sand. Go in with the Rare Beauty, my fave, as you guys know. Hot, literally on my hand.
I'll be undressed in the bra or see-through. While you count your jewels, thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep a stone set, I got my own baguettes, and I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed? Yes indeed. I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the army grenade. You can slide on my ice like the escapade. And itchy itchy eye with the marmalade. Who me? Not you. Oh yes, who's he?
For the highlight, I just like to basically stay under my eye. I don't drag it down, just under my, to blend the edges. I like to just go in with the beauty blender. My nose, and like I mentioned before, I like to go in with a lighter shade that's closer to my skin tone. Contour my nose. I'm in the PBs, all chrome Z3s, decked out TVs, CDs with crazy bass. Keep my lady lace. Don't get fooled by the baby face. I hope you're not. The Two Berry, my favorite. I'm eventually finna buy the bigger one. I love this press powder so much.
Sip my tequila, work from the villa, full lift chinchilla. Heat up the clutch, 750 deluxe. We speed down the hutch, breaking trees in the Dutch. I'm not the one you sleep with, to eat quick. Want a cheap chick? Better go down and freak me. You got to hit me off. Buy this girl gifts, of course. So I've been sick in my six with my clip in the course.
So I already know I'm going in with my all-time favorite, the Laura Mercier. And this is in the shade Honey. And I'm going to use my powder puff. my fave. Access off.
It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video. I know you know me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention.
So my camera's finna die. So I'm finna have to switch my battery. I'll be back. Okay, this is in shade Blazer. To go in with my beauty blender to like make sure it's blended really good. I love a sharp nose contour. My Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use that orange shade. I'm going to top it off with the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu. Use a little bit of this shade. Right. Everything's looking good. The NYX Jumbo Stick.
Never make the same mistake. No more thinking about what you do. There's no more me running back to you. So my days are cold without you.
Do like my bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna add my brown. I've been loving the white waterline a lot. And I just like to pack that color. Finishing powders, I'm going in with the MAC Skin Finish. I just like to place this all over my face, especially where the places where I normally get oily at, which always is just in my T-zone area. I like to use 2 setting sprays, so I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury and my Urban Decay. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay, the All Nighter spray. Going in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Love it, melts. I like for my face to be wet. Sponge, and I'm just gonna tap it to my skin.
Keep running back to you. You must be. I can't take no more. I can't keep running back to you.
I like to go in with my favorite, the MAC. I literally only use like a little highlight, not too much. Some on my nose, and I place some on my cheeks, a little bit, and a little bit on my forehead, on my lip, eyebrows. Espresso, you see how small this is. I got another one, but I love this pencil so much. And this is from NYX. And then I'm going in with the MAC lipstick. And this is in Peach Stock. I don't know why I was saying Peach Stone.
No more telling you lies to me. Looking like I got my head on right, so now I see. No more giving you everything. There's no more taking my love from me.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of everything. Everything came out so cute. So this was a highly requested video, and I gave it to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.